Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvir Ivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Honor 8 Lite to Android 8. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our latest videos. So at first you have to check the description of this video. Then there you will find a link to download the firmware. Click on this link and open it. Don't go without watching the full video. There are some important steps, so watch it carefully. Click on deny button, then you have to wait for 5 seconds here. Then click on skip ad and wait here, and now press on this allow button, and it will redirect you to a new page. This page here you can see download official firmware for Huawei Honor 8 Lite. So you can see the update is official, and that's Android 8. So now you have to select your model and which version you need, and then you have to click on it. I'm clicking it. Now scroll down and click on this download button, and here you have to wait for 20 seconds to download this. More 5 seconds, almost done guys. Wait here. So you can see guys, you can see that it has started downloading. So here you can see zip. Okay, you can see the zip has started downloading. So guys, after downloading this, what to do if you do not know how to install it manually? So you can check the video of about this. So there will be a link in the description how to install it manually. Please check the video and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you, and stay with us, stay tuned with us.